Okay, what is helicopter from Banggood? They have insisted I make a YouTube video for the missing parts. Okay, so tried contacting the website, won't let me in unless I make a YouTube video. So I'm making a YouTube video. So the wee boys that go on the tail, those are the control rods. You have a nice servo mount, but you have nothing to connect them onto the tail with. So you need something like this to go on there, so that would screw up in there. But as I say, I wasn't going to complain too much about it, but now because I've had to make a YouTube video, I think Banggood is not a very good place to buy any flipping stuff. And the model itself is grand, a lot of wee bits and pieces. It comes fairly well assembled. All these wee bits and pieces fairly well assembled. There is a lot of parts here, but not the ones for this. So anyway, comes fairly well assembled. The head comes pre-assembled. You just have to put the fly bar into it, slide it down into the head, and then connect up all your bits and pieces then from that. The tail, the gearbox here comes pre-assembled, and the tail gearbox comes pre-assembled. So you just put the tube in, set up your strap in here, and you're fairly ready to go. Quite a nice wee canopy as well. It's fiberglass. But as I say, everything but the boys to connect onto here. So I'm sending this. I got excited there, I thought these were the right ones, but they're not. So I'm sending this video onto YouTube, telling the world how upset I am with Banggood, because they insist I do a YouTube video. So therefore, not a happy camper. Thank you.